Hey guys, welcome back to this Bendo video. Today is going to be a fast tutorial. I'm going to show you how to actually merge PDFs. So if you have multiple PDFs, basically combine them into one PDF file. But first guys, if you want, you can go down on this video in the comment section and click on the first comment that I pinned. This will bring you to my Fiverr, and here you can get a YouTube logo and banner or a modern minimalist YouTube logo and banner for your YouTube channel. But now back to the video. So I'm going to jump right in. I'm going to type PDF merge here. There you go. Now I like to use I love PDF, but you can use of course another one if you want to. I'm just going to choose this one right here. So it asks you to select the PDF files. I have these three prepared right here. So if you want to select them all, you can just drag the mouse and do this. And just hold Control and select one of them each. Like this. Then you click open. As you can see here, you have a preview of what it is. So I just typed page 1, page 2, page 3 on it. Nothing complicated. You can actually drag in the order you want it to. So of course I want it to be in this order. And then down right here, you can click on merge PDF. There we go. So mine was pretty quick, obviously. And so then when it's done, it will actually automatically go up here. As you can see here, it will be merged. So if I actually go to show in folder, as you can see here, here's my file. I'll click on it. And as you can see, I have here page 1, page 2, and page 3 on 3 different pages, but in one PDF file. So there you go guys, as you can see, very easy, very quick tutorial here. Hope it helped you guys out. Please leave a like, would be really nice. Subscribe would also be really nice. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.